If you're into current events or love making predictions about what's going to happen next, you might have heard of the Kalshi app. It lets you bet real money on yes or no questions about politics, weather, the economy, and more. Like, will the Fed raise rates this month? Or, will a hurricane hit the US this week? And unlike shady betting sites, Kalshi is fully legal and regulated by the US government, which makes it pretty unique. That makes it fun if you're into staying updated and want to test your gut feelings with some skin in the game. But here's the catch. This isn't investing. It's more like informed guessing. And just like with sports betting, you can win some and lose some. So, should you use it? If you're curious, love keeping up with the news, and don't mind a little risk, sure, give it a try. But don't treat it like a savings plan or a way to make steady money. Let me know if you use Kalshi. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.